This is a Trail of Tears tidbit from Adolphi here at Sentinel Park. A savior is born every time you turn around. That's the thought processes that we had amongst the tribe members. Every birth within the tribe had a place within the Almighty High. We all saw a birth and viewed a birth as something to be of Savior-like, as it saved us from downtrodden ways. Exiled ways of being, and placed more of our focus on the now, within the birth, within the miracle, this miracle that lies within all, that we're birthed, and that lies within all now, is the miracle of saving the soul from downtrodden ways of being. This encircles us whenever we are lost, whenever we seek to be found. We searched and searched for a savior to be, but there was no savior, for all of the miracles were lost in our tribe. All of the saviors to be had, to be birthed, were not forgotten but lost. The white man made sure of this. The white man made sure that all unborn babies were not to be birthed into this world. The white man determined we did not deserve, nor were we worthy of being. Part of the miracle, part of the saving grace that was to be. So we prayed and called in our ancestors and asked them for enlightenment on this subject. And we were told that all are worthy, all will be saved, even when they are not born. They are all miracles and will continue to be miracles, even if they are not upon this earth. We were told to keep these miracles within our hearts, within our souls, and to enliven our spirit with them, to know that they are all watching over us and being guides for our heart space, for our soul's journey. So we walked and we glided with hope in our hearts for the connection to the miracles that were not to be in this life. But we knew and held strong the miracles that we knew and know now are waiting for us.